馬灣。嗱，而家咧就坐咗上層嘅車頭啊，因為咧出邊實在太大風啦。而家轉緊去馬灣啦。
是往日海上絲路的其中一個重要地點。
嗱，而家咧就講緊普通話，繼續聽我廣播。咁樣都可以介紹馬灣。
稅收、打擊走私活動，同時保護邊防。馬灣逐漸成為一條小魚絲盛產加高。到90年代初，因為新機場工程，居民逐漸遷往現在的馬灣新村，舊村活化成現在的馬灣1868，一個集保育、文創、旅遊及藝術零售的度假景區。Ma Wan was once an important hub along the ancient maritime Silk Road. In 1868, the Qing government established a customs post there to collect opium trade taxes, combat smuggling, and safeguard the coastal border. Later, Ma Wan evolved into a small fishing village known for producing sugarcane. In the early 1990s, due to the new airport development, residents gradually relocated to the present-day Ma Wan New Village. The original village was revitalized into Ma Wan 1868, a cultural and tourism destination that blends heritage conservation, creative industries, travel experiences, and art
其實我
retail.
都知嘅。幾快啊！哇！
馬灣係往日海上絲路其中一個重要地點。1868年，清朝政府喺呢度設立海關，
係啊，因為唔同馬灣嘅
稅收
站，
打擊走私活動，同時保護邊防。逐後馬灣成為一條小漁村，盛產蝦膏、
公園度
文創、旅遊及藝術。
準備回程翻尖沙咀。而家咧就俾你望下啦。
返程前往尖沙咀的中途，您可以在左前方看見全長1.177公里，
有架
世界第一條3
230
鐵
啊，
索橋
我都搭過
新索橋。落成後為新界西北的元朗、屯門等地提供更直接前往機場和香港島以及九龍市區的選擇。晚上的新索橋更有射燈照亮潮生
又係呢架車。
成為不少攝影愛好者的
呢架船係講咩啊？我都唔知佢係由邊度去邊度。佢係私人嘅咧，一地公眾啦，唔係一地公眾啦。
Stretching 1.177 kilometers, it is the world's first three-tower cable-stayed bridge. Since its completion, it has provided the Northwest New Territories such as Yuanlong and Kunming with a more direct connection to the airport and urban Kowloon and Hong Kong Island. At night, the bridge and its towers are illuminated by spotlights, making it a favorite subject for many photography enthusiasts. 回程返去尖沙咀嘅途中，你可以喺左前方見到全長1.177公里、世界第一條三塔式夜拉索橋汀九橋。佢落成後，為新界西北嘅元朗、屯門等地方提供更直接前往機場同港島市區嘅選擇。入黑後嘅汀九橋更會有射燈照亮橋身同橋塔，成為唔少